the view, the sunrise is there. Sunrise is there. Look at that. Look. Yay! Yay!
Manang basi malimtan mo mag ano ha?
Si Mama.
Muadto sa Jerusalem ang mga ginikanan ni Jesus aron sa ulog sa pangirin sa pagsaylo. Sa ikanapulong
We're in Oslo. We thought Oslo was where only the whales are, but we went into the center of Oslo. As you can see, the municipal hall is there, newly constructed from the looks of it. And then there's a really old church here, and a mass is actually going on. And here are some ruins, really old-fashioned, like Spanish era ruins. And then over there you can see the sea. The sea is there, but I don't know how to cross from this side to that side. I don't know how, but there, see, look there. So, welcome to Oslo. Ayan, see, we're here early in the morning. It's 6 a.m. The sun has just risen, I should say. But I don't know if you can hear me though from this distance. The camera. See? Ta-da! We're in Oslo and we're walking around. This is, I think, their plaza. That's the church there, and there's the old ruins there. I'm just checking out the place. See? There's a mass is going on. It's really nice here. I'm inside the ruins. Look at that. It's so ancient. It's so ancient. It's been here since Spanish times. Look at the rooms. Look at the stones. I don't know what ruins this is. Is this a part of the old church? Is it a private house or something? I'm not quite sure. There's no indicator or even a signage that tells a story about what this place is. See? And then we come out of here. Oh, there's another fall here. Yeah. And up here. Oh, there's a museum as well. There's a museum as well, but it's small and it's closed. Museum Oslo. Oh, this is a really old town. Museo Oslo. Can you see that? What place is this? Karkar? Tartar. We're having lechon. So, the car is rattling in all places below. So we're having it fixed. We hit something while backing up into the barge in Sibulan when we were about to cross from Negros Island to Cebu Island, because the car itself is heavy with all the luggage. And then when I asked if the passenger should go down the car, except for Mama, of course, they said it doesn't matter. So everybody was in the car. So when I was backing up into the barge, we hit something below. And after that, it was rattling in all places below, and we were traveling hundreds upon hundreds of kilometers from the port, and everything is rattling. So we settled into the condo unit we rented, and then rested a little before looking for this Giga branch here in Cebu to have it fixed. So hopefully after it is fixed, we will go buy food somewhere and then go back to the condo. The car is there somewhere. I don't know. I cannot see from here. After more than 3 hours and a half in the shop, we're done and we're hungry. Where do we go? To the mall? Where do we go for some mall na area? This way. Thank you. And it's still a long way from the condo.
Para hindi ba anong mapapatay?
I just go nag-record magaling. And this is our meal for tonight. This is the lunch plus the dinner all in one.